Welcome to New Auto Garage. Today, we are diving deep into the brand new 2026 BMW M5, a car that has already begun to rewrite the rulebook for luxury performance sedans. The M5 has always been a statement piece for BMW, and the 2026 version represents a bold evolution, combining tradition, modernity, and cutting-edge technology. BMW has pushed the boundaries with the 2026 M5, both in terms of power and design. It's not just an update. It's a complete reimagining of what the M5 can be. This car takes inspiration from BMW's electrification strategy while holding on to the pure driving excitement that M fans love. The front fascia has a completely new design. The kidney grille is more streamlined, with a more aggressive and aerodynamic look. The headlights are slimmer, sharper, and equipped with the latest laser technology that enhances both aesthetics and functionality. From the side profile, the 2026 M5 shows off its muscular stance. The long hood, sculpted lines, and flared wheel arches make it clear this is not just any 5 Series. It's the ultimate expression of BMW performance. The proportions are balanced yet aggressive, designed to emphasize speed and elegance. The rear is equally striking. Quad exhaust tips, a sculpted diffuser, and redesigned taillights give the M5 a menacing appearance. The car sits lower to the ground, and every line has been optimized for aerodynamics, ensuring maximum efficiency and downforce. Under the hood lies the most exciting transformation of all. The 2026 M5 features a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an advanced electric motor system. Together, they produce an astonishing 750 horsepower and over 1,000 Nm of torque. This hybrid setup isn't just about power, it's about versatility. The M5 can operate in all-electric mode for city driving, making it eco-friendly, while unleashing its full hybrid performance on the open road or track. BMW has carefully tuned the system to provide seamless power delivery and instant acceleration. Acceleration is breathtaking. The 2026 M5 rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds, making it the fastest M5 ever produced. The top speed, with the optional M Drivers package, exceeds 330 km/h, firmly placing it among the elite super sedans of the world. Handling has been refined with a new adaptive suspension system, intelligent all-wheel drive and torque vectoring. This ensures the car can handle corners with surgical precision while maintaining everyday comfort when needed. The steering system has been improved to give drivers an even more connected feel with the road. BMW has always been known for its driving dynamics, and the 2026 M5 takes this reputation to an entirely new level. Inside the cabin, luxury and technology blend seamlessly. High-quality materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara dominate the interior. Every detail feels premium, from the stitching on the seats to the soft touch surfaces on the dashboard. The latest iDrive 9 infotainment system is at the heart of the 2026 M5. With a massive curved display that merges the digital instrument, cluster, and central touchscreen, drivers get all the information and controls at their fingertips. Voice control, gesture recognition, and advanced connectivity options make operating the system effortless. BMW has also integrated AI-based assistants that learn from driver preferences and adapt accordingly. The sound system has been upgraded to a premium Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround setup. Every note of music is crystal clear, providing a concert-like experience inside the cabin. Comfort is not sacrificed for performance. The 2026 M5 features ventilated, heated, and massaging seats for both driver and passengers. The rear seats are spacious, making this super sedan practical for families as well. Ambient lighting adds to the luxury feel, with customizable colors that can match your mood. BMW understands that the driving experience is not only about speed, but also about atmosphere. Safety technology is cutting edge. The M5 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and autonomous emergency braking. It also has semi-autonomous driving capabilities for highway use. BMW has paid special attention to sustainability. The hybrid system reduces emissions significantly, and much of the car's construction uses recyclable or eco-friendly materials, aligning with BMW's long-term green goals. The M5 also features a lightweight chassis that improves efficiency and performance. Carbon fiber reinforced plastics are used extensively to keep the weight down without compromising safety. Charging options for the hybrid system are convenient. The M5 can be charged at home or via fast chargers, giving it impressive electric-only range for daily commuting. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the customizable drive modes. From Eco Pro to Comfort, Sport and Track mode, each setting transforms the car's personality. Drivers can fine-tune throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering feedback, and even exhaust sound. The exhaust system itself is a work of art. In hybrid mode, it provides a subtle growl, but in Sport or Track mode, it roars with the aggressive note that M fans crave. BMW has also introduced new aerodynamic wheels that reduce drag and improve efficiency. Wrapped in high-performance tires, they provide exceptional grip in all conditions. Braking is handled by massive carbon ceramic brakes that ensure maximum stopping power. Even at high speeds, the M5 stops with confidence and control. BMW has tested the 2026 M5 extensively on the Nürburgring, ensuring that it lives up to its racing heritage. The lap times are among the best ever recorded by a luxury sedan. Despite its track capability, the M5 remains a practical everyday car. The trunk is spacious, rear passengers are comfortable, and the hybrid system ensures lower running costs compared to older models. The exterior color options are bold and diverse. From classic alpine white to frozen Marina Bay blue and unique matte finishes, the 2026 M5 can be tailored to match your style. BMW individual customization allows owners to create a truly unique M5. From bespoke interior trims to one-off paint finishes, personalization is limitless. Pricing is premium, as expected. The base price is set higher than the previous generation, reflecting the advanced technology and hybrid system. However, it remains competitive compared to rivals like the Audi RS7 and Mercedes-AMG E63. Speaking of rivals, the 2026 M5 stands out not only in raw power, but also in its balance between performance, luxury, and eco-friendliness. It's a car that appeals to both driving enthusiasts and environmentally conscious buyers. BMW has positioned the 2026 M5 as a symbol of the future of performance sedans. It blends tradition with innovation, offering a glimpse of what high-performance cars will look like in the next decade. Early reviews from automotive journalists have been overwhelmingly positive. Test drivers praise its acceleration, handling, and luxurious interior, calling it the best M5 ever made. For BMW enthusiasts, the 2026 M5 is a dream come true. It proves that electrification doesn't mean losing excitement. It means gaining new dimensions of performance. The M5 has always been a benchmark, and the 2026 model raises the bar higher than ever before. It is more powerful, more advanced, and more refined than any of its predecessors. Welcome once again to New Auto Garage, and thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of performance with the 2026 BMW M5. Stay tuned for more automotive deep dives, reviews, and insights, only here with us.